Hey there! Welcome back to Junkie, your go-to channel for stunning design tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into how to create beautiful save-the-date cards using Canva. Whether you're planning a wedding, a party, or any special event, these cards are essential for giving your guests a heads up. So, let's get started. First, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to sign up, and it's free. Now, let's dive into the fun part, designing. On the Canva homepage, type Save the Date in the search bar. Canva offers a wide range of templates, so take your time to browse and pick one that matches your event's theme. Customizing template. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it. Click on the template to open the editor. Here, you can change the text, colors, fonts, and images to suit your style. Editing text. Let's start with the text. Click on the text box and type in your details, the names of the couple, the date, and any other important information. You can adjust the font style, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Next, let's customize the background. Canva has a vast library of images and backgrounds. Click on Elements on the left-hand side and search for a background that fits your theme. You can also upload your own images if you have a specific one in mind. Adding images and elements. Adding images of the couple can make your Save the Date card even more personal. Click on Uploads to add your own photos. Once uploaded, simply drag and drop them onto your design to make your card truly unique. You can also add icons and illustrations. Click on Elements again and search for icons that match your theme, like hearts, flowers, or rings. Adjust the size and placement to fit your design. Adjusting colors. Don't forget to play around with the colors to match your event's color scheme. You can change the colors of text, backgrounds, and icons using the color tool at the top. Save and download your design. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and download your Save the Date card. Click on the Share button at the top right corner, then select Download. Choose your preferred file format. PNG or PDF are great for printing, and hit the download button. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.